How to turn off profile views on your notification on your TikTok account. Today guys, I will show you how to turn off this option. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go and open your TikTok, and as everyone know, when you open your TikTok it will open automatically on home. Now you will go to profile and then open profile, then go to this three line here, then go to settings and privacy, then go to notification, and then you will find profile views here on interaction. Now you have to turn off this option. Just go here on displays, turn off it like and make it look like this, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.